My name is John Pollak, and I'm the director of the Meat Animal Research Center, and it's really a pleasure to be involved with the University of Nebraska Extension Program to put on these kinds of events here at the center. We're really pleased to have so many of you show up. We do have a very international meeting, and if I could ask our friends from north of the border to raise their hand, you can see that we've got quite a few Canadians who've taken a bus down here. So I hope that during the breaks you all get the opportunity to interact with each other and learn a little bit about your operations. Is it from Alberta? Is that? Saskatchewan. That was probably not a politically correct thing to I only mention that because my daughter now works up in Alberta, so I have exported you some pretty good genetics. This presentation that's going to be here today is the third of a series of meetings that we had decided to hold when we put together a project we call the Weight Trait Project. And the Weight Trait Project, for those of you who have not heard of it, is a project where we felt there needed to be some kind of a demonstration and co-learning experience between researchers, breed associations, and producers in how to move DNA technology from discovery to application. And this project involves about 24 or so producers who have been collecting DNA samples for us. And every year, for the last 3, we've held meetings here at the Meat Animal Research Center, and part of the meeting is this general program that we have the day before. Reason for that is we've got a lot of good speakers coming in from around the country, and we do want to share their knowledge with as many folks as willing to come spend a little bit of time with us. So I'm really looking forward to the afternoon events. When I was the director of the NBCEC, for those of you who don't know me, I worked at Cornell University for many years and was the director of that organization for 10. They asked me to buy these little clickers, and these are the most fun things, and I'm so disappointed we're not going to use them today. It's not like we don't have time. I guess we're not going to use them. All right. So what we will do is launch down the program a little bit earlier. It's not hard to identify the speakers who are going to be here today. You just look around the room for laptops and people making last-minute changes to their presentations. They're all down here in the front, and I'll turn it over to Matt right now, who's going to kick off the program with the first presentation. And again, on behalf of the Meat Animal Research Center and the University of Nebraska, welcome to our facility, and I hope you have a very educational afternoon.